Hello and good day everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have here a MOSER Li+Pro hair clipper, cordless hair clipper. So this unit has a problem of the blade. It is easily falling off, and also the housing or the inner component sometimes getting out from the base easily. Okay, so for those who are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share, so that we'll be inspired and you will support us to continue sharing knowledge and ideas to youngsters and to those who would like to learn the simple step how to repair your basic household appliances and equipment. Okay, so without further delay, let us proceed how to repair this unit. So basically, this thing is falling off easily. Okay, looking at the screws of the mounting base, this is already broken. Okay, so you see here, these two are broken because the design of this unit, all the tension or the force when doing the clipping is being held by these two screws from here. So this is the weak point of this unit. Okay, so as you see here, the whole weight of the motor or the mechanism is being held by these two plastic mounting base. Okay, so this thing is already broken in pieces and we cannot able to fix it back. Now our solution is we will going to fix this by gluing directly to the base. Since the battery and the whole system is working properly and it is charging well, the motor is also okay. The only problem is this base is broken, so we cannot able to fix this back since this is broken apart. What we will do is we will just simply glue it straight inside through here. Okay, so looking at this base, basically this is being inserted over here. Okay, so what we need to do is simply get the super glue. Okay, we'll glue these things over here. Okay, so once this is glued, we can able to fix this back. Okay, like this. Okay, so as you see here, this is thoroughly inserted inside. Okay, and then we can fix back these screws. We don't want to lose the screws. Why we did not fix back the broken piece? Because that will only obstruct the setting or the clearance inside. This needs to be thoroughly inserted so that this blade will mount or fix here properly. Okay, so as you see here, now it is not falling. It was falling because of these broken pieces here. Okay, so now this unit is okay. The next step is we will going to clean the blade. Okay, so by flipping downward, you can detach the blade. Now using Torx number 8, we will open now the blade to clean. Be careful not to lose the screws or the spring inside. Okay, so seeing here, there's a lot of hair and unwanted dirt. Okay, so basically using an old toothbrush, you can simply clean, see this unwanted hair. You can simply clean this. Okay, you can spray some an alcohol just to clean it. And sanitize. So if you're liking our video, please like and subscribe and share. And you are practically inspiring us to continue sharing knowledge how to do basic repair, servicing to your home appliances or equipment. Okay, so after cleaning, we'll put some lubrication. If you have oil, a baby oil, you can put some over here. So you could put some oil after cleaning so that the blade will easily rotate. Okay, so this is an oil. So this thing is rotating like this, and then we can put the blade back like this and put some oil over here. Okay, and then clean this. Same thing, we're going to put some lubrication or oil over here and here. Okay, and then we can fix it back. So using the old screw. Make sure that it is properly tight. So this is Torx number 8. As you see here, like this thing getting stuck inside, and will start to stuck, not playing properly. So here, as you see here, now it is smoothly sliding. Okay, so we can fix this back like this and turn it on. Okay, so as you see here, so the blade now it is sliding easily. So that is how easy it is to repair, clean the blade of your MOSER Li+Pro hair clipper. Okay, so if you like our video, please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification. So on our next video, you will be updated. So again, thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel, and please do like, share, and subscribe to support us. Thank you everyone, and God bless, and always be safe. Bye.